Finding the perfect bed frame shouldn't break the bank or leave you tossing and turning over assembly nightmares. Today, I'm sharing 5 incredible, affordable bed frames that deliver premium quality without the premium price tag. These picks will transform your bedroom while keeping your wallet happy. Remember to check the links in the description box below for current pricing and availability. So, let's dive in. Number 5 showcases the Zinus 14-inch Elias metal platform bed frame, a steel powerhouse that eliminates the need for expensive box springs. This industrial-strength frame transforms any bedroom with its sleek metal construction while providing exceptional value for budget-conscious shoppers. The 14-inch height creates a storage paradise underneath your mattress. You can easily slide storage bins, seasonal clothing, or rarely used items beneath the frame, maximizing every square foot of your bedroom space. The elevated design also makes bed making and cleaning underneath significantly easier. The steel support system distributes weight evenly across multiple contact points, preventing sagging and extending your mattress life considerably. The robust construction handles movement without creaking or wobbling, ensuring peaceful sleep for both you and your partner throughout the night. Assembly couldn't be more straightforward with the intuitive design requiring minimal tools and effort. Most users complete setup in under 30 minutes, thanks to clearly marked components and logical construction sequence. The frame locks together securely without requiring advanced technical skills or multiple people. The main drawback is the purely utilitarian appearance. It won't win style awards in designer bedrooms. However, for those prioritizing function, durability, and maximum storage space over aesthetics, this frame delivers outstanding performance that justifies every penny spent. Number 4 features the Amazon Basics metal bed frame, a tool-free assembly marvel that redefines convenience in bedroom furniture. This innovative frame uses a unique click-together system that eliminates the frustration typically associated with furniture assembly while maintaining rock-solid stability. The revolutionary assembly process requires 0 tools. Simply click components into place like an adult puzzle. Each connection locks securely, creating a frame that rivals traditionally bolted constructions. This design philosophy makes moving apartments or rearranging rooms incredibly simple and stress-free. The 6-leg base configuration provides exceptional stability that customers consistently praise in reviews. Unlike cheaper 4-leg alternatives, this design prevents center sagging and reduces motion transfer between sleeping partners. The strategic leg placement ensures even weight distribution across all support points. The noise-free performance stands out as a major selling point for light sleepers and couples. The secure connections and quality materials eliminate the squeaking and creaking that plague many budget bed frames. You can move naturally during sleep without disturbing your partner. The primary limitation is the basic aesthetic that may not complement upscale bedroom decor. But for renters, frequent movers, or anyone valuing convenience over style, this frame offers unmatched ease of use with reliability that exceeds expectations for the price point. Number 3 highlights the EMODA Queen Bed Frame, an 18-inch heavy-duty platform that maximizes underbed storage while delivering commercial-grade durability. This towering frame creates a bedroom storage revolution, transforming wasted space into organized storage solutions for modern living. The impressive 18-inch clearance accommodates large storage containers, vacuum-sealed bags, or even small furniture pieces underneath. This height advantage proves invaluable in small apartments or bedrooms lacking adequate closet space. The elevated sleeping position also improves air circulation around your mattress. The heavy-duty metal construction uses reinforced joints and premium materials that support substantial weight without flexing or compromising. The platform design eliminates pressure points that cause premature mattress wear, potentially adding years to your mattress investment while maintaining optimal comfort. The black powder-coated finish resists scratches, chips, and corrosion better than painted alternatives. This professional-grade coating maintains its appearance even in high-humidity environments or with frequent cleaning. The sleek black color coordinates with virtually any bedroom color scheme effortlessly. The considerable height may prove challenging for shorter individuals or those with mobility concerns accessing the bed comfortably. However, for most users seeking maximum storage capacity and industrial strength construction, this frame transforms bedrooms into highly functional, organized spaces. Number 2 presents the Zinus Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed Frame, a customer favorite earning 4.6 stars from over 16,000 reviews for its perfect balance of style and functionality. This upholstered beauty brings boutique hotel elegance to any bedroom while maintaining the affordability Zinus is known for. The soft upholstered headboard provides comfortable back support for reading, working on laptops, or enjoying morning coffee in bed. The neutral fabric options complement existing bedroom decor while adding sophisticated texture and visual warmth that metal frames simply cannot match. The platform design eliminates box spring expenses, while providing optimal mattress support that prevents sagging and premature wear. The evenly distributed slats maintain proper spinal alignment throughout the night, contributing to better sleep quality and reduced back pain for many users. Assembly simplicity consistently impresses customers who appreciate the tool-free construction and clear instructions. Most complete setup in 20 to 30 minutes without assistance, making this frame ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone avoiding complex furniture assembly projects. The upholstered surfaces may require occasional cleaning and could show wear over time with heavy use or pets. Nevertheless, for sleepers wanting hotel-style comfort and aesthetics without designer prices, this frame delivers exceptional value that explains its overwhelming positive customer feedback. Number 1 crowns the Nectar Bamboo Platform Bed Frame, a 2025 launch that revolutionizes sustainable bedroom furniture with traditional Japanese joinery techniques. This innovative frame combines environmental consciousness with cutting-edge engineering, creating a sleeping platform that's significantly stronger than traditional oak or pine constructions. The bamboo construction offers remarkable strength-to-weight ratios that exceed hardwood alternatives while growing sustainably in just 3 years versus decades for trees. This eco-friendly material naturally resists moisture, insects, and bacterial growth, creating a healthier sleeping environment for allergy-sensitive individuals. The tool-free Japanese joinery system creates incredibly strong connections without hardware that can loosen over time. Each joint locks precisely into place, forming a unified structure that becomes stronger under load. This traditional technique eliminates squeaking while creating furniture that can last generations. The minimalist aesthetic complements modern, Scandinavian, and Zen-inspired bedroom designs beautifully. The natural bamboo grain adds organic warmth while maintaining clean lines that never look dated. This timeless design philosophy ensures long-term style relevance regardless of changing trends. The premium pricing reflects the advanced materials and construction techniques, making it the most expensive option on our list. However, for environmentally conscious consumers seeking cutting-edge design and superior durability, this frame represents the future of sustainable bedroom furniture. These 5 bed frames prove that quality sleep doesn't require a massive investment. Each offers unique advantages for different needs and budgets. Choose based on your priorities and enjoy better sleep tonight.